Introducing the F-15EX Eagle II, the latest powerhouse to join the United States Air Force's fighter jet lineup. This isn't your typical F-15. The Eagle II is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a major upgrade in firepower. Imagine a jet carrying up to 12 air-to-air missiles. That's right, 12. Thanks to innovative weapon racks, this bird is more than just a fighter jet, it's a missile truck. But that's not all. The Eagle II is decked out with the most advanced digital technology and avionics. At its heart, a state-of-the-art active electronically scanned array radar, superior detection and tracking, all at the fingertips of America's finest. The F-15EX Eagle II, a testament to power, precision, and technological prowess. The future of air combat has arrived,